Hello, everyone. What is the estimated average salary of a cleaner in Israel? The average annual gross salary is $20,300. After tax, the average net salary is $17,864, or roughly $1,489 per month. In Jerusalem, the average annual gross salary is higher at $21,924. The net salary there is $19,293, or about $1,608 monthly. This difference may come from higher living costs and stronger demand in the capital. Experience, the type of workplace, and night or weekend shifts can also affect pay. A beginner may earn less, while an experienced cleaner can earn more. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.